Find the LCM of the given number using short division method. So we have to find the LCM using short division method. So children, let's copy question number 2, exercise let's do 5E of page number 45, part A, 42 and 75, 42 and 70. So children, we have copied. So in this question, we have to collectively solve these two numbers. 42 we will place a comma in between and 72. Now 2 is in the end ones place and 0 is in the ones place, so it will go by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, comma. Now 2 with 70, 2 3s are 6, 1 is left, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 is there and 1 is there. Okay children. So 5, 6, 7, 8. It will not go by 3. This will go by 3. 5 से देखें तो 35. This will go by 5 but this will not go by 35. Okay. 6 is not possible. Now 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35. Okay children. Now 3 is remaining and 5 is remaining. So we will try with 3 and 1 and 5 remaining. Now with 5, 1 and 1. Okay. So LCM is equals to 2 into 7 into 3 into 5. Okay children. So answer is 2 7s are 14. 14 3s are 142 and 142 5s are 210. If you don't know table orally, you can multiply it down. 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 142 and 142 5s are 210. You can make a rough column and you can just do the rough work over here. Okay. So this is our LCM and this is our answer. Now we have done part A. Now we are going to copy down part D. So we have 64, 72, 96, 108. So we will go 64, 72, 96 and 108 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, comma. 2 with 72, 2 3s are 6, 1 left, 2 6s are 12, comma. 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining, 2 8s are 16, comma. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Now all will go by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12, comma. 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14. Okay. Now this will again go by 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 27 ऐसे के ऐसे ही लिख देंगे क्योंकि 2 से नहीं जाता है. अगेन विथ 2, 2 4s are 8, 9 ऐसे की ऐसे लिख देंगे क्योंकि 9 से नहीं जाता है. 2 6s are 12, 27 ऐसे कैसे लिखेंगे क्योंकि 2 से नहीं जाता है. अगेन विथ 2 2s are 4, 9 ऐसे के ऐसे ही, 2 3s are 6, 27 ऐसे के ऐसे ही. अगेन विथ 2 1s are 2, 9 ऐसे के ऐसे ही, 3 ऐसे के ऐसे ही, 27 ऐसे के ऐसे ही. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट नंबर लीजिए. 9 3 और 27 जाएगा 3 से. 1 ऐसे के ऐसे ही, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Okay. Again with 3. Now 1 ऐसे कैसे, 3 1s are 3, 1 ऐसे कैसे, 3 3s are 9. Now again with 3, 1s are, 1s are, 1s are and 1s are. Okay. अब देखिए LCM 2 into how many times, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 1 2 and 3. Okay, so LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 3s are 192, 192 3s are 576, 576 3s are 1728. This is a rough work. You can write a rough work and answer is 1728. This is our answer. Okay children, this was part G. Now part H. Cross check. 96, 72, 64, 192. Okay. So here we are going to solve 96, 72, 64 and 192. So it will go by 2. 2 4s are 8, बचा 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, बचा 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, बचा 1, 2 6s are 12. Now again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, बचा 1, 2 8s are 16. Again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, 2 6s are 12, 9 as it is, 2 4s are 8, 22, 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 12. Okay. Now again with 2, 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Again with 2, 3 as it is, 9 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now again with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1, 3 1s are 3. With 3 again, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay. So LCM equal to 2 into how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 3 into 3. So we can make here rough work. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 into 3. Carry 1. 6 3s are 18 and 1 19. 192. 192 into 3 again. 3 2s are 6. 9 3s are 27. 7 carry 2. 3 1s are 3. 4 5. 570. So 576 is LCM and this is our answer. Okay children. So we have done part A, part G, part H and D. Now part B, C, E and F is for homework, and homework you have to do in your homework copy. So complete your classwork as well as homework. We will meet in the next video with a new exercise. Till then, have a great day.